hearty welcome to today's chemistry session. So, in this session, we'll see one of the definitions of chemistry. So, we have already learned some definitions in the previous session. Chemistry can have many different definitions. So, one of the best definition which we can have is chemistry is a branch of science that studies composition, properties and interactions or transformations of matter. So, in science, we have science is very vast. So, science is subdivided for easy handling or easy learning. We have subdivided science into different forms like physics, chemistry, biology, geology, etc. So, chemistry is a branch of science, one of the type of sciences. So, chemistry is a branch of science that studies composition, properties and interactions of matter or transformations of matter. Interaction means these atoms and molecules, how they interact with each other and how the reaction goes on, and transformation means during the process of interaction a transformation takes place in the case of atoms and molecules. So this is what we study in detail in chemistry. So chemistry is a branch of science that studies composition, properties and interactions or transformations of matter. So it's all about matter. It's composition of matter and properties of matter and interactions or transformations of matter. So chemistry is basically a study about matter. You know what is matter? Anything that has a mass and occupies volume is known as matter. You already know that. Then chemical principles. When we look into the scope of chemistry, why should we learn chemistry? Chemical principles are widely used in wide range of areas like weather patterns and even functioning of brain, etc. And chemistry stands as a great economical support of our nation by manufacturing fertilizers, alkalis, acids, salts, etc., dyes, polymers, drugs, detergents, metals, alloys, etc. So it contributes a lot, chemistry contributes a lot to the economy of the nation, and it helps in making our lives comfortable too. And then it stands or it plays a major role in meeting human needs for food, health care, etc. Like this, many life-saving drugs like cisplatin, Taxol. This cisplatin and Taxol is effective in cancer therapy. Is designed by chemistry. And then AZT, that is azidothymidine. It is used in helping AIDS victims. So this chemistry plays a crucial role in the maintenance of life even. And then it has got a specific importance. There should be people or students who aspire to learn chemistry to contribute to the nation and to the world. And then what are the advantages of studying chemistry? Chemistry has got a lot to explore in the realms of new experiments. Like we have synthesized. Chemistry has got two aspects. It can be either too constructive or too destructive. So, chlorofluorocarbon that was emitted by the refrigerants, ACs and air conditioners and all was disturbing the ozone layer. You know, it made it causes the depletion of ozone layer. So, chemists were in this era. Chemists were able to design and synthesize a new alternative. A new alternative for CFC, chlorofluorocarbon. So they have synthesized alternative for chlorofluorocarbon. So a substance that can be used instead of chlorofluorocarbon, which will not make any hazardous effect to the environment. And then to design and synthesize new materials having specific magnetic, electric and optical properties. So other than the normal materials, chemists, after knowing the chemical principles in detail, they will be able to design and synthesize materials which are having specific magnetic, electric and optical properties like superconducting ceramics. A lot of other varieties can be devised with the help of chemistry. And so we need a lot of alternative. Even at present, we need alternatives for substances which is hazardous to the environment, and we need a lot of drugs to be devised. Even we know about COVID-19, the drug is not yet designed. So chemists are mandatory. Chemists are in need of the time to make the world which we live into a better space for people to live. Thank you. We'll see you again.